bakers, to kick off 2020 and to celebrate the launch of my Gemma's Mug Meals mugs, I thought I would pull together a video of my top 5 most viewed mug meals recipes. These are the recipes that took the internet by storm, so you are not going to want to miss them. As always, the recipes can be found on biggerbolderbaking.com. So here we have it, my brand new exclusive Gemma's Mug Meals mugs. We made these especially for making my mug meals in. As you can see, it's a ceramic mug, it's nice and big, it's curved on the inside, so it makes it really easy for mixing, and you get your very own spork in the handle for mixing and for eating. I strongly recommend you pick up one because they're at a really great price right now. So without further ado, let's make number 5 on our mug meals list. So this mug meal is near and dear to my heart, burrito in a mug. Now when this video went viral, I got picked up all over the world, including I was featured on the Doctor Show in Los Angeles. So in your mug, lay in a nice big flour tortilla. And then into this, we're going to crack in some eggs. I like to add in some cheese, beans, scallions, and then just give these ingredients a mix together, taking care not to rip your tortilla. So pop it into the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds or just until your eggs are perfectly cooked. This timing is based on my microwave, which is 1200 watts. So check the wattage of your microwave because your timing may vary a little. Top your burrito with a little bit of sour cream, salsa, and some chopped scallions. And now you have for yourself a homemade hot breakfast made in minutes. So coming in hot at number 4 is a mug nut, also known as a donut in a mug. Now you guys made this hugely popular, so much so that I was actually featured on Irish radio with Ray Darcy, which was a huge goal for me, so thank you. So for this sweet little treat, the first step you want to do is melt your butter. Then once it's melted, add in the rest of your ingredients. Flour, egg yolk, sugar, a little bit of milk, some baking powder, and ground cinnamon. And then just mix this all together with your spork until you have your batter. So just before it goes into the microwave, we are going to add a spoonful of jam right into the center. And then what you want to do is pop it into the microwave for roughly 45 seconds to a minute or just until it's perfectly cooked. When it's out of the microwave, sprinkle over a little bit of cinnamon sugar and do another dollop of jam on top. And then I suggest digging in while it's still warm. Next up at number 3 is macaroni and cheese in the microwave. This was hugely popular with college students and people making it after school. It's a great, easy dinner. Into your mug, add in your dried macaroni and cold water. And then just pop this into the microwave for around 3.5 minutes until your pasta is fully cooked. So when your pasta is fully cooked, pour off that excess water. And into your macaroni, we're going to add in some milk, cornstarch, cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper. And then just give it a quick mix together and then pop it into your microwave for around a minute or until it gets really lovely and hot. When it's out of the microwave, give it a good stir and you'll see that that sauce has formed. It's cheesy, it's gooey, it's absolutely delicious. Coming in at number 2 is, no surprise to me, microwave mug brownie. This guy was a huge success and still to this day one of the most popular recipes on my website. This one could not be simpler. In your nice big mug, mix together all of your ingredients. Flour, brown sugar, some cocoa powder, flavorless oil, water, a pinch of salt, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then chocolate chips. Once your batter is mixed up, pop it into the microwave for around 45 seconds to a minute. And then in no time at all, this is the kind of fast food that I like. You have for yourself a hot, homemade brownie made in minutes. So here's the moment we've all been waiting for. The microwave mug meal that took the number 1 spot is microwave mug pizza, my absolute favorite of all time. You know, when I tested this recipe before we made a video of it, I tested it and I said to Kevin, this is going to go viral, and the video went bananas. It was a huge hit and everybody just loved it. So of course, this has to be our number 1 spot. Into your mug, add in your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now add in your wet ingredients, a little bit of milk, and some olive oil, and then just mix all these together to form your crust. So this is our crust. On top of here, like any traditional pizza, we are going to add a layer of pizza sauce or any kind of a marinara sauce. Then we're going to do a generous sprinkle of mozzarella, some pepperonis because I love pepperoni, and then some dried herbs. And then all you have to do is pop this into the microwave for around 1:10, 1:20 seconds. When the microwave dings, you will have for yourself the perfect single serving size of a homemade pizza from scratch. So that's it, from breakfast to dinner, sweet, savory. These are my absolute top 5 best ever mug meals. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you can get all of the recipes for these mug meals on my website, and I'll see you back here really soon for more bigger, bolder baking.